After identifying your weed and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. Since spurge spreads rapidly through seeds, the best way to stop the weeds from taking over is to lay a pre-emergent herbicide like Barricade. When applied properly, Barricade will form a chemical barrier that will stop weeds from sprouting. Barricade comes in a granular form, so you'll need a broadcast push spreader to apply it. Spurge seeds typically germinate once the soil temperature reaches 75 degrees Fahrenheit, but germination is also known to take place in temperatures as low as 60 degrees and as high as 100 degrees, so the best time to apply Barricade will be right before the soil temperature reaches 55 degrees. This can be late winter to mid-spring in regions with warm growing seasons. Be sure to look up your area's soil temperatures to find the best window for pre-emergent application. You'll use between 1.5 to 4 pounds of Barricade depending on your turf type. Pour the proper amount of Barricade into the spreader and broadcast half your granules in parallel lines once across the area. Then broadcast the other half at a perpendicular angle to cover the area in its entirety. Once the product is fully applied, water it in. Most effective control can be achieved with at least half an inch of water within 14 days of application. If you've missed your window for pre-emergent application and you've started to see spurge sprout on your property, then the best method of removal will be to apply a post-emergent herbicide. While single spurge plants can be pulled from the ground, you need to keep in mind that spurge plants have taproots. If any of the taproot breaks off and remains in the soil, the plant will grow back. We recommend you use a post-emergent herbicide like Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit offers selective control of targeted weeds, meaning it will kill weeds without harming your turfgrass. However, keep in mind that this product is only labeled to be used over warm season grasses like St. Augustine grass, Bermuda grass, centipede grass, and zoysia grass. Depending on what kind of spurge you have, you can apply Fahrenheit at an application rate ranging from 3 to 12 ounces of product per acre. That translates to 0.069 to 0.28 ounces per 1,000 square feet. In metric, that's about 2 to 8 grams. We recommend you spot treat weeds with a 1 or 1.5 gallon handheld sprayer to make mixing and application easy. To mix, add half the water into the pump sprayer, add your measured amount of product, then add the remaining half of the water up to the 1 gallon line and close the sprayer. Shake the sprayer to agitate and pump to produce a low pressure spray. Lightly spray your solution where the spurge is established. Use a fine spray with a fan nozzle setting to get an even coating on the plant's leaves. Spray on a calm day to avoid drift, and be careful not to over-apply your product. You should start to see Fahrenheit take effect within 1 to 2 weeks of application.